Click on File and select Attach Results, and make sure that the XBD file extension is selected. Click on OK. Click on Results and select Deformation. The Results tab contains all the different types of results that can be viewed. We will focus on deformation, fringe, and tensor. Select Displacements Translational, then click on Update. You can now see how the beam deforms. Note that this is a true deformation that will be seen. To see an exaggerated deformation, click on the Deformation tab and select Relative, and click on Update. We will now view the stress plot. Select the Plot Data tab and click on Hide. Change the view to isometric. On the left side of the window, select Fringe in the Type drop-down menu. In the Result Type box, scroll to the bottom and select Stress Tensor. In the Derivation box to the right, select Von Mises. Click on Update. You can now see the stress distribution along the whole beam. The different colors correspond to stresses of a certain magnitude, where blue represents the lowest stress and red the highest stress. The stress at the end of the beam is due to the load there. For more on this, view Supplementary 3. The model can also be animated to show how the stress develops with respect to time. Select the Animation Settings tab, change the number of frames to 64 and change the animation type to ramp. Click the play button. Stop the video, click on Plot Data, click on Hide. The tensor plot function can be used to see what the principal stresses and shear stresses are at a specific element. Click on the Type drop-down menu on the right side of the window and select Tensor. On the bottom right of the screen you can choose which stresses will be shown. Deselect the XY, YZ and ZX checkboxes. Click on the Target Entities tab. In the drop-down menu, select Elements. Click on any element near the fixed constraint. Click on Update. Deselect the 3D Elements filter to hide all the elements. Zoom into the element. You will be left with a representative block with the principal stresses shown. If the colors of the arrows are the same, then they have the same magnitude. This tutorial was proudly brought to you by Estech.